Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 153 Grange Road. This 2-bedroom property having a loft room as well and a lovely landscaped rear garden. It's close to King's Heath High Street amenities. Okay, and then into the property we've got this lovely open plan lounge dining room, and here we can see the entrance vestibule with the front door and an internal door here with some lovely stained glass feature in there as well, and the sitting area here with log burning stove and bay window to the front aspect. Then open plan with the dining area, which really does offer some lovely spacious living area. And then we have the inner lobby here with the stairs leading up to the first floor and built-in understairs storage cupboard, and then through to the breakfast kitchen. Again, really nice size and having bifolding doors there out to rear garden. Okay, then up onto the first floor, and we've got the landing area here with a window to the side aspect and 2 bedrooms and the bathroom here on this floor. Starting here at the front of the property. Lovely decorative fireplace there and built-in wardrobe. And then here we've got the stairs which lead up to the loft room. And then into the middle of the property, and we've got the second bedroom. And then we can see the rear aspect from this room as well. And then through to the bathroom. Which is a lovely spacious room, having a separate shower cubicle here, WC, wash basin, and then a freestanding roll top bath here as well. Really lovely condition. Okay, so then up into the loft room, we can see the Velux skylight there to the front aspect, and the staircase here from the first floor landing. Okay, and then leading out into the rear garden, have this lovely patio area here. Plenty of space for a table and chairs. And then a long rear garden where we have artificial grass and fenced boundaries, and a further sitting area here catching the later sun in the afternoon. And then we've got gated access there to the side, which leads back through to Grange Road. And that's the end of this online viewing. So if you'd like any further information, then please do give us a call, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.